Okay guys, I got a 2024 Toyota Prius. This also fits a 2025. I'm going to show you how to remove the cabin air filter. So first, you're going to open up the glove box. And I know it's kind of dark, so bear with me. So in your glove box, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the glove box. You're going to push in here until that pops out. Push the other side as well. And then over here, we're just going to remove this right here. Okay. And right here is your cabin air filter door. So to open it, you're going to push these in on both sides. That'll remove that. And that is your cabin air filter. Pop it out like this. That's your cabin air filter. You can remove it. This actual filter right here, so you can remove that from that piece right there. I will link one in the description. And then you can see the airflow arrow goes up like that. So we'll put this back in. And you're gonna push this piece in like that first and then pop that thing in. And then go up like that. And pop this back in just like this. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.